Welcome back to a new episode. Can you take a quick guess what car model is this exhaust? Well, it's a Volkswagen Tiguan 1.4cc Allspace. Yes, you must be thinking, how are we going to fit the exhaust tips into the car? Because all the Volkswagen Tiguan models comes without a real exhaust tips on its bumper. However, this customer has changed his diffuser to make it able to fit in our forged carbon exhaust tips. Now, let's have a close-up look of the exhaust material and quality. This is a stainless steel set finished in matte grey paint and also fine finishing of the welding material. And you can see the muffler has now been changed to both left and right exhaust output instead of the original that comes single-sided exhaust output. As you can see, the original do not have any valve motors and also a mid resonator, which our Veleno Catback set will delete it out later. Of course, not to forget, our set will comes with the iconic Valvetronic system that is controllable with a remote. I know you can't wait to hear it, so let's skip the boring installation part and show you the end results now. Did you like how we turned a fake exhaust tips into a real one? Leave your thoughts in the comment down below and stay tuned for our next video.